Halloween subbies, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm not going to be reading, but I'm going to be cooking. We're going to be making Dead Man's Toes from the unofficial Hocus Pocus cookbook. But first, we're going to need a few ingredients. 8 hot dogs. 1 pack of croissant rolls, they're Pillsbury. 1 tablespoon of ketchup. And 1 tablespoon of mustard. Let's get started. Now I gotta open the hot dogs. My mom's gonna cut them up. Ooh, I'm opening the croissant rolls. Smush it down, roll it up with a rolling pin if you want. If you want it to be real smooth, if you do, which you do. And you gotta cut it up into 8 triangles, or the amount of hot dogs you have sliced up. Now roll each hot dog into the croissant roll. This is the grown-up part. Your grown-up has to slice up the lines on the hot dog to make it look like knuckles. Then cut a square on top to make it look like a toenail. Put the toes on a baking sheet with parchment paper so they don't stick. All done, time to add the condiments. Put ketchup or mustard or even both on top of the hot dogs where the nail part is. If you only like one or neither, that's okay. Just do that. They look really good. Now it's time to test them. Well, I hope this is good. I love it! Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the recipe.